Whiteboard can be used only in the live class, while a notebook can be used once you receive any homework or any material your educator shared with you. Go to Explore Class. Search what you are looking for. Browse from various classes, categories, educators, popular classes. In the class, you can use tools like Chatbox and ask questions directly to the. You can see how much the session of each class is going to be. See how many learners are in the class. You can select the color from the color tool to change the color of your shapes or lines. Look at the age range of the class. Check how many batches are available. In live classes, you can use a notebook and whiteboard also. Click on Enroll. The class will be ended by the educator. And you are done booking the class. Miko, a place where you can learn, teach, play, explore.